Hello everyone, this is your teacher friend from the Philippines. This is James the Page teacher, and it's been a long time since I came around. It's been a long time since I'm back in Flushtube. Yes, it's been 3 weeks or more since the last time you saw my video or uploaded my Flushtube video update, and time flies so fast. It's already the last month of the year 2025. It's December, and exactly this is the first day of December. And happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrated Thanksgiving last week in the United States. And wow, and we are now at the spirit or the season. We are now feeling the season of Christmas. So, although here in the Philippines we started our Christmas season in the month of September when the word "Burr" will came, so automatically the malls here, and we are preparing the decors, and we also hear Christmas songs on the radios and also at the malls or everywhere. So from September to January, that's the usual uh, length of Christmas season here in the Philippines. And for those who are new here, or yes, this video is all about cross stitching, or this channel is all about cross stitching, and welcome. And if you're into cross stitching, so you are on the right channel or video. And to my regular subscribers and my returning viewers, hello, welcome back again, and thank you very much for always coming back. So this is not a typical or the usual flush tube update, and I decided to um, what twist make a twist on make a twist no I decided to change something in the month of December before we go to my year-end with parade. So you already have seen this one on other FlushTube channels or your favorite FlushTubers. They are doing this daily during December. It may be called Vlogmas or Flossmas. So for the first time in 4 years in FlushTube, so I'll be doing this one, Flossmas number one, until the 25th of December, and then after that one I'll be uh, filming the whip parade. So the reason is I just wanted to somehow get obliged or to oblige myself to take my whips and stitch every day, since I am a busy person, especially at work. I do sometimes uh, neglect or forgot to stitch uh, or put out my webs and stitches. Somehow um, it loses my stitch bug. So that's why I decided to, although I also planned this one 3 weeks ago, but this time I was really decided to doing this Flossmas. So this will be Flossmas number one. Welcome to Flossmas number one. So I'll be sharing, aside from the whip that I will be featuring, so I will also share some of daily things that I've done since morning up until this evening. So I'll be filming every evening, and then also I'll be sharing about some of the um, flushables that I've watched when I am stitching while stitching. So, so as you can see here, you have an 18 count fabric, and this is one of my newest whip where I started this one this year, and this is a full coverage, of course, And this is from Amy Stewart, and this is the Animal Kingdom, and this is the regular size. So let me show you, let me reveal what is now the progress. Okay, so that's the progress of Animal Kingdom. So the last time you saw this one is that here, yes, that's the only stitch, or there are some stitches on this side. So I was able to finish at least or complete 4 blocks here, 1 2 3 4, and then I think it is today I just added 101 stitches, but the last time I stitched this one, I think a week ago, I did stitch more than 800 stitches, I guess. So I am nearing at 1,000 stitches, and I think this has 6,246 stitches. And the plan for this is I wanted to go to the last part where where the frame of the wood, or yes, the divide, yes, there are, I think, the section, so the first section. So I wanted to go to the edge of the first section of this Animal Kingdom or shelf. So I think I am just 2 blocks away from that one. So my plan is I wanted to finish this part, and then after that one I will go up here and do another 5 rows. So that would be my plan for this one. So you already have two animals that you can see here, the gorilla and this bird, and I think this is the third one, which is a phoenix, I guess, or a bird also. So that's the progress. So after this one, after I upload this video, I'll try to stitch, since it's already 10 in the evening. So I still have, I think, an hour to to edit the video and upload it in my channel. So you will be seeing this one tomorrow. So probably I will give it 2 days. So day 1 for this one, and then another day 2, and then on day 3 I'll be sharing to you my birthday start. So I started my birthday start last November 12, which is my birthday. So I already have at least 500, and then I will be stitching more, and then I'll be sharing to you on my Flossmas number 3. So that's the progress of the Animal Kingdom. So while I was stitching this one, I am watching the Witchy Stitcher. So yes, Stitchy Witchy, which is the Stitchy Witcher, the Stitchy Witch Stitcher. So she has the regular. She showed 5 whips, and most of it were full coverage projects, and I was looking at her progress of the Riverwalk charm, which was a regular chart. Wow, it's very, very beautiful. I was in awe when I saw her progress. So she is now, I think, more than half of the progress, but yes, more than half of the progress, and I have a whip on that, but on the mini version. So I was happy to see the progress of her Riverwalk Charm. So far that's the Flosstrooper that I watched for this day, and I haven't watched yet the Max Color Stitcher and um, DMX Crafty Vortex and Siska Stitches. So probably tomorrow and the other days I'll be watching them, and I think I'm now decided to join the Hade Sal. So after this one, after the filming and stitching, probably tomorrow or this day, I will be purchasing the Hade Sal 2026. So on about my life, well, it's again a busy, although it's not yes, it's Monday, it's always busy at Monday, but we are preparing for a very important uh, event 2 weeks a week from now. So we are gathering documents, preparing documents, and preparing our office to be presentable. And for this one, it's an accreditation, so I hope that we can surpass the or pass the accreditation of our school. So I am working at the record section of our school. So I think that would be all for today. So probably the video would at least be 10 minutes. So it's already 12 minutes. So thank you very much. And this is Flossmas number 1. And see you on my next Flossmas video. Happy stitching, everyone. Bye bye.